Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So far so good. In today's video we are going to learn something basic about our spoken. Since I have received a few comments, therefore I'm going to announce this amazing announcement, that is, in every week I will be coming up with 3 videos on alternative days, alright, where we will start our spoken with the basic one. Okay, there you will find 3 levels of basic, and in each levels we will have somewhere 20 to 30 lessons. Alright, sounds amazing, right? So why I have decided and planned myself to come up with 3 videos in a week only, there is a reason behind it. I want you all, after watching my video, to do practice for a day based on the content that I am going to provide, so that you will get appropriate time to plan yourself and to learn basic English and can start your journey with 0. So today's lesson name is Basics of I Am, and sometimes we say am, right? So am is an abbreviation of I am. It is used in combination with some other words to tell someone about yourself or to describe what you are doing. I repeat my sentence. I am is an abbreviation of the word I am. It is used to tell people exactly what you are doing. It is used in combination with some other words to tell someone about yourself what you are doing. Please pay attention here. Am always used with I, because that is related to yourself only, okay? So whenever somebody is asking you any questions to know about you, we will use that I am. Let's understand with the help of some examples. I'm so tired. I'm so happy. I'm so confused. I'm 23 years old. Please don't share with anyone, okay? I'm hungry. I'm nervous. I'm excited. I'm thirsty. I'm from Delhi. So here we used I am with some words. I hope you have focused and you have noticed as well, okay? So make at least 10 sentences with I am, where you have to combine I am with some other words to tell someone about yourself. Alright, now let's extend a little bit more. We can extend the length of the sentences with the help of descriptive words. Now what is descriptive words? Descriptive words are help to visualize, describe, define or explain information about people, place, think, situations or actions. Let us understand with the help of a few examples that we have just used it. Okay? I am extremely happy. I am very happy. I'm terribly hungry. I'm super excited. I'm very nervous. So these were some sentences where we have combined I am with some words. Also, we added some descriptive words to tell more about ourselves, that how are we doing something. I hope we learned the basics of I am. In the next session, I will come up with another lesson. Meanwhile, keep engaging yourself by making some sentences with the help of descriptive words and some supportive words that can help you to express yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have really understood this video, don't forget to like this video. And of course, if you want somebody to help really well, you can share the video so that they can also start their journey to enhance their English. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Happy learning.